G'day guys, Brent from Outback Equipment here, and today we're going to have a look at the Maxi Evaporative cooler from the guys over at Companion. Let's pop it out and have a quick squiz. Opening the flap. Look, styrofoam. Fan. More styrofoam. Alright, so out of the box, what we've got here is the owner's manual. Definitely recommend to have a quick read through that before you get started. We've also got the 240 volt charger and the 12 volt DC charger. So the unit itself is 300mm wide, it's 140mm deep, and it's also 310mm high. Empty without any water in it, you're looking at 3 kilos. The water tank on the bottom here, you're looking at 1200ml, and the fan itself actually uses about 150ml of water per hour. The fan will actually push out about 250 cubic meters of air per hour with a runtime of up to 5.5 hours with the integrated 6000 milliamp lithium ion battery. So the Maxi Evaporative cooler has 2 charging options. So you do have your AC and your DC option. On the front here, you can see a minimum and maximum water level indicator. You've got an integrated handle on the top here. You've got a 2-speed fan switch on the front here, and you've also got the option to turn the water on and off. The main thing about an evaporative cooler is that it evaporates water to help cool the air around you. So these will be a little bit cooler than your typical fan. We're just going to turn it around here, and you can see that on the back here we've got the charging input and also the cardboard wafer in the back, which is where the cooling comes from. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill up the water tank and we're going to have a look at how this one works. Alright, so now that we've got this one filled up with water, we're going to flicker on real quick. Alright, so now you can see we're on the low setting up here. I'm going to put it up to the high setting, and then we're also going to turn on cooling. So what that'll do is that'll actually start the pump inside the unit, which will start pushing the water up into the top, and then it'll start running over the back element, which will actually allow the air to get cool as it blows through it. Now I know what you're thinking, Brent, it's got flowing water over the back of it. What happens if it falls over? Is it going to spill all through my tent, my swag? Is my mattress going to get wet? The short answer is no. The unit has a built-in tilt switch, which will actually turn the fan off if it tilts too far back. A few handy things to remember with the evaporative cooler. When you pull it out of the box, the battery will actually be disconnected from the unit, so you just want to pop the panel off and plug it back in, and also the charging cables will be located inside the tank in the bottom. All in all, the Maxi Evaporative cooler is a great bit of kit, and it's a great fan that'll keep you cooler for longer. If you like what you see here, head over to outbackequipment.com.au to grab yourself one. If you have any questions about this, hit us in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.